Hi guys, welcome back to the Homestead channel. Show the left, yeah, the left wall is halfway up. It's a little bit curved, but it's actually fine. Nah. So that was day two's progress on setting up the walls. Don't mind the cracks. Started over there. I'm gonna work on this wall today and this corner here. So it's day 3, starting day 3. Have cement here. Had to leave in a rush. Left that there, but that's fine. I am going to work on that side of the wall. So I have one level and I'm going to just fill it and then continue on with the rest of the wall. This here, I'm going to use cement to catch the level, so that's fine. But yeah, that is it for now. I'm gonna get started. The sun is boiling. There's a little bit of shade here, so I'm gonna mix my stuff here. If these guys get out my way, I'm gonna mix the stuff in the shade and then just lay the blocks. This one shouldn't be too hard. Most complicated part is the corner where I have to tie the blocks. Hopefully I have enough blocks left, because I would love to just finish up and get cracking on filling the block pockets. These are the amount of blocks I have left to do what I'm doing today. Hopefully they're enough. Otherwise I'm gonna have to wait until Saturday to get some more blocks to finish up that side. But anyway guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow the homesteading journey. Bye bye.